Hello everyone, Pacer Rail Fanning here. The Shoreline train is now finally moving, guys. He just finally start to move, so it's gonna take him some time. As you guys can see, he's starting to move. Yeah, this is a very common occurrence on the CN Shoreline train stopping. The reason why it does stop is it goes back into one track, I believe, as far as what I know. He is slowly creeping up, so the first crossing it will clear is Gaudet Road, then St. John, then Emmons, and then here. As you guys can see, this auto rack is loaded up with Ram pickup trucks, as you guys can see. They do transport vehicle by rail, guys. It's probably gonna take a little bit. It's probably gonna take a little bit for this to clear out. And for the train to gain speed, guys. As you guys can see, there's no other trains right now. Yep, he is slowly picking up speed, guys, as you guys can see. This is the same train I caught at Oak Street. Yeah, he should be clearing out the crossing here in just about, I believe, in about 5 minutes, I should say. The end should be in sight soon, guys. It's gonna clear the Emmons Boulevard crossing, guys. I do see the end in sight, guys. It should. In 3 minutes, this train should clear out. Love train. I'll get you guys a deactivation shot as soon as this train leaves. Yeah, I can see the end down there, guys. Yeah, he just cleared the Emmons Boulevard crossing, guys. I can see the end down there, guys. Hopefully my camera battery does not die. Here comes the end, guys. The Emmons Boulevard crossing is cleared. Gates are back up. All right, here's the last car. Here it comes. Alright guys, here's the last car. It's going to clear the circuit any second now, guys. Alright guys, the signal should shut off. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next rail bending video, so stay tuned.